In this video we have the integral of x tangent squared of x dx. Got a trig function here mixed in with a monomial term of x. Could be integration by parts. Give it a try if you want, then I'll be back. I'm going to rewrite this integral, because if we use integration by parts here, we can compute the derivative of the x, of course. Then we have to compute the integral of tangent squared. So let's do this. Tangent squared could be given by secant squared of x minus 1, using the identity 1 plus tangent squared of x equal to secant squared. One of your fundamental trig identities. Solving for tangent squared, we get tangent squared of x equal to secant squared minus 1. So we get this right here. This is dx. And then we can break this up into two integrals here. Multiplying by x, we get x secant squared of x dx. Then multiplying through by minus x, or by x here, we get, again, put the minus out in front. The integral of, or x I should say, dx. The second integral, no problem. Integrating x with respect to x. The first one, we can do a integration by parts here. And let's let u, and I'm not going to use the abbreviated form of integration by parts, or the DI method, or the tabular method that they call, because we don't have much to do here. U equal to x, then du would be derivative of x is 1, so this would be dx. And then dv would equal to secant squared of x. And I could write this as dx here. Then v then would be given by the integral of secant squared x is, of course, tangent of x. And then using the formula again, integration by parts formula, the first part of the answer is uv. So u and v, that product. So this will be x tangent x. And then it's minus the integral of v, which is tangent x, du, which is given by dx. And then this one here we can do right away. Minus the integral of x dx. This will be just minus x squared over 2. And then we continue here. This is equal to x tangent of x. And the integral of tangent x, I derived that in one video that I did, is minus natural log of absolute cosine x. And then we have minus x squared here over 2. And of course, once you integrate, you have your constant integration, so I'll put plus c here. And then we're pretty much finished here. So we'll just simplify this a little bit more. This is going to be x tangent x. Double negative there, that makes it a plus. Natural log of absolute cosine x minus x squared over 2 plus your constant of integration. Here's your answer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.